Hey guys, it's me Stace. Today we are using the Cricut machine to make this absolutely adorable standing snowman. How fun is he? He's all like 3D and he does stand all by himself. Let's go to the computer and we will get started. Alright, here we are at the computer. I am already logged into Design Space and we are at the welcome screen. On this screen, I'm going to go down where it says Creative Cards, go to the far right and click on View All. In the upper right hand corner where it says Creative Cards, we're going to click on that and go down and click on Cricut Access. In the search box, type in the word Snowman and then click on Enter. And the project we are making is this one here, the Standing Snowman. Going to click on that. It's going to bring up a preview window. And you can see the finished size is approximately 8 inches by 5 inches. Very bottom, click on Customize. Now if you do want to change the size, make it be bigger or smaller, he does come in all grouped together. So you can just use the arrow keys and make him be as large or as small as you want. I'm going to choose the default size. All right, upper right hand corner, click on Make It. And we need 5 mats. We need a piece for the white, a very small piece for the orange for the nose, a small piece of brown for the arms, black, and then a piece of red or whatever color you want to use for the scarf. I'm going to click on Continue, cut everything out with a table, and put our snowman together. Guys, we are back. Our snowman is all cut out. We're now going to assemble him. So we have the bottom piece. It has that score mark. Then we have the middle, and then we have his head. And I'm just going to see how I want him to go. And I'm going to work on his face first. I'm using Barely Art glue. Now I'm going to put just a little dot of glue for one eye and the other eye. And grab his eye pieces and put them on. You can of course change this up and use googly eyes if you want to. Alright, and then we have his nose. And I do like how the Cricut used the marker tool to draw lines on the carrot. Alright, so that is where his nose is going to go. He's already cute, right? Alright, so now we're going to go ahead, and I put mine together with all foam squares. I'm going to do the same thing with this one. Let's work on his hat. So we have the hat piece here, and then we have the brim of the hat. Let's put some glue on the back of that. And then line it up at the bottom. Just like that. Super cute. And just take a smidgen of glue on the back of the hat. Just a little bit. And put that on. I like his hat kind of going on a little bit of an angle like that. Alright, then we have a scarf that already has a score mark in it. Just going to fold that. We're going to work on the scarf in a minute. Alright, so now we're going to take the middle section, and I'm going to use some foam squares on the back of this. Just 2. Give them a smush. Take the backs off. And then we're going to put that on. And then his face, I think just 1 is enough. Take that off and put that to just make sure. There we go. Okay, so now I'm going to put his little dots on for his buttons. And again, you can be creative here. You can use little rhinestones, pearls, or even actual buttons if they're small enough. I'm going to go ahead and push them down into that glue a little bit. Okay, then we have his arms. The back of that. Put this where you want it on the back of them. Be a really fun project for the kids to put together. Fairly easy. Alright, and then his other arm. I'm going to have that one going this way. Right, now for his scarf, I apologize for the dogs. It's just going to go at the bottom right here. But what you want to do is put this piece on first. Again, I apologize for the girls. I'm going to put a foam square there. Take the backing off. And put it on the scarf. And I want it to be kind of offset. So I'm going to come over a little bit so you can see both layers of the scarf. Put this back in there. Give it a squish. Now I'm going to put some glue on the back of all this. Just like that, a good amount to hold all this. Actually, before I do that, I'm going to put some glue on the inside of here as well. Should have did that first to hold this piece down. There we go. Okay. All right, now just put them where you want to go, where you want the scarf to go. Again, I apologize. There's something out there that Dinah's barking at. Okay, isn't he adorable? Oh my gosh, I love them. All right, now to make them stand, all you do is fold this down. Now this is just Walmart cardstock, so it's not very thick. So you can see he doesn't stand. So to fix that, what I did is I took another piece of white cardstock. This is 2 inches wide by 1 inch tall. I'm actually going to stamp on it. Let me find my ink real quick. And I'm using one of May's stamps. It's called Baubles and Bling. I'm using the one that says 'Tis the Season, Bling It On. And I'm just using some VersaFine ink. Ink that up, and now I'm going to put it on my white piece here. It doesn't fit all that great, but it'll work. You can also use it for name tags or place setting, all kinds of things. Alright, so go ahead and take some foam squares on the back of that white piece. This serves like when we make easel cards, that piece that holds it up, this is what that's going to do. Because I was getting aggravated because I was like, he's not standing. So we're going to flip him over and put this on the back. And I have it lined up right with that score mark. So it just sits inside there, just like that. So it serves, you can put a name on here, a little greeting, and then finagle with him, and he will stand. Voila, right? How cute is that? Like this one I just left blank, but how cute are they, right? They'd be really cute at a place setting. You can, of course, add little something to his hand with a name on there, so you can do it for a Christmas table place setting, even just decor in general. But there you have it, a really, really cute, I mean, come on, snowmen are adorable anyway, but this one is a standing snowman, super, super cute. Any questions, guys, let me know. As always, thanks so much for watching. Have a great day, and I will see you guys next time. Bye-bye.